Hello, engineers. Let's try to solve this problem. So this problem is from past REE board exam. So a hand soap manufacturer introduced new liquid lotion-enriched antibacterial soap and conducted an extensive consumer survey to help the judge the success of the product. The survey showed 40% of the consumers had seen an advertisement for the new soap, 20% had tried the new soap, and 15% had both seen an advertisement and tried the new soap. If a randomly selected consumers had seen an advertisement for the new soap, what is the probability that this consumer has tried the new soap? So let's solve this problem using conventional solution. So this problem is a Bayes theorem probability formula. So yung formula pala natin dito is P, A and B is equal to probability of A given that of B times the probability of B. Where yung probability A and B natin is the probability of events A and B to happen. Tapos yung PE given that of B is the probability of event E given that of B. Tapos yung P of B natin is the probability of event B to happen. So ang gagawin natin, yung formula ng Bayes theorem is i-reconstruct natin in terms of this problem. So the probability of seen an advertisement and tried the new soap is equal to the probability that the consumer had seen the advertisement given that he also tried the new soap times the probability that he tried the new soap. So yung probability that he seen and tried the new soap is equal to 0.15. So ito yun. 15% had both seen an advertisement and tried the new soap. Tapos yung probability that he seen given that he tried is equal to 0.4. So ito yun. 40% of the consumers had seen an advertisement for the new soap. So ibig sabihin kasi nito, 40% hindi seeing the advertisement alone lang to. So 40% involving those who seen the advertisement only, but there are still portion of this na nasubukan din yung bagong sabon or tried the new soap. So therefore, yung formula natin is magiging ganito. Probability that he tried the new soap is equal to the probability that he seen and tried divided by the probability that he seen given that he tried. So substitute lang natin. So we have probability that he tried the new soap is equal to 0.15 divided by 0.4, which is using your calculator will result to 0.375, or this is equivalent to 37.5%. So ito na yung magiging final answer natin. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to, and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.